Hey guys, this is Abhishek from GadgetStrews.com, and today we are going to do a quick hands-on comparison of the Lenovo Yoga Tablet 10 HT Plus, which has been announced over here at Mobile World Congress 2014 at Lenovo booth. And again, when we take a look over the other device which we have with us, we are going to compare it with the Lenovo Yoga Tablet 8. Lenovo Yoga Tablet 8 has already been available in India, and it is one of the best tablets which I have seen till now. In terms of the overall design and the overall thickness of the tablet is also pretty good. Even when the battery design is also good, the kind of slant angles you can actually have on this tablet without even actually buying any external case is definitely good. And the same you can actually replicate with the Lenovo Yoga Tablet 10 HT Plus, which is definitely going to come to India very soon. But as of now, it is announced as of now, and let's see when it comes to India. This is the Lenovo Yoga Tablet 10, and this device in comparison with the Lenovo Yoga Tablet 8 is definitely bigger in terms of the display size, as you can obviously notice. But there are other things which are there in terms of the design, which is exactly the same on both of these tablets. So both of these tablets in terms of the design, if you actually take a look, are same. So you have the same kind of design running on the Lenovo Yoga Tablet 10 as well, just like the Lenovo Yoga Tablet 8. So the Lenovo Yoga Tablet 10 and 8 have the same kind of power and sleep key. Over here you have the micro USB port for data syncing and charging. On the front we can see that both of these tablets have the loudspeaker on the front, both on the right as well as on the left side. And you have a slant over here, a flap, basically a metal flap at the back, which actually allows you to actually have these tablets at different angles, at different viewing angles. You can actually consume the entertainment content on these tablets. So that is a good thing, and let me just show you the same. So first of all, sorry for these wires and all. So we have these tablets. You can actually slant this tablet like this, as you can see. So you can slant the tablet, the Yoga Tablet 8 like this, or you can slant it like this, or you can slant it like this. And at this angle you can actually place it even without a stand, because of the metal flap is actually designed in such a way that it does not go inside very easily. It actually stays in the position where you actually hold it. So it will actually make sure that you can have different viewing angles. As comfortable the viewing angle is for you, you can actually set the tablet at that angle. And that is the same you can actually do with the Lenovo Yoga Tablet 10 as well. So with the Lenovo Yoga Tablet 10 as well, you can actually slant it like this, or at this angle, or at this angle, and it will stay like this. So still you can actually have this tablet in this way. And again, the weight of the tablet in comparison, the Lenovo Yoga Tablet is definitely, Yoga Tablet 10 is definitely heavier in terms of the weight in comparison with the 8. But in terms of comparison with the other 10-inch tablet, including the iPad, this tablet is pretty light. The kind of design it has is kind of different. Although you have a bar over here on this side, which actually allows you to hold the tablet pretty easily in your hand, and you can carry it around with you without even carrying it in a bag. So that is a good thing, and same you can actually do with the Lenovo Yoga Tablet 8 as well, which was earlier announced. And this is how the devices look like from the back side. Again, both of them have the metal finish plastic back cover, which is again making this device, both of these devices, looking pretty good and premium. And it looks like metal, but it is actually good quality plastic with some kind of texture design, which actually gives you a nice grip as well when you hold these tablets in hand. And over here you have the flap which comes out, or the metal hinge, which can be rotated. When we talk about the camera, we have a 5 megapixel camera on the Lenovo. Okay, I'm not sure what is the camera on the Lenovo Yoga Tablet 8, but the camera on the Lenovo Yoga Tablet 10 is 8 megapixel. It is autofocus and can do high definition video recording, and the same goes with this one as well. As far as the connectivity for the SIM card and micro SD memory card is concerned, both of them have the connectivity for the SIM card and micro SD memory card, as you can see over here. And again, you cannot install applications on any of these devices as far as micro SD card is concerned. When we take a look over this side, we have the 3.5mm audio jack. We have the power in, not the power in sleep key, but the volume rocker on both of these devices. You also have a mic for video chatting and noise cancellation. And again, when it comes to the front has a camera which is a 1.3 megapixel camera, which we have on both of these phones. And again, the display size of the devices looks different, but in terms of the technology, the kind of display which both of these tablets has, both of them has the IPS LCD display. So you have an IPS LCD display on this device, which gives you great viewing angles, and the same kind of display is there on the Lenovo Yoga Tablet 8 as well. So in terms of hardware specification, if we talk about, the hardware is definitely better on this one, but you will also have a better experience as well in terms of entertainment. Whenever you are watching a video, this is going to provide you much bigger display size in comparison with the Lenovo Yoga Tablet 8, but especially with this device with the big display is also heavier in terms of the weight. So in case you are looking for a tablet which should give you a better entertainment, then you should always go for the Lenovo Yoga Tablet 10 HD Plus. The kind of resolution which we have on this device is HD, and again you have 1.6 GHz quad-core processor on this device, and you also have the quad-core processor on this one as well. When we talk about the RAM on this device is 2 GB. I'm not sure about the RAM on the Yoga Tablet 8, but when we talk about the other things, everything is just the same in terms of the design, but in terms of hardware it is different. As far as the good points of the Lenovo Yoga Tablet 8 is concerned, Lenovo Yoga Tablet 8 is quite light in terms of the weight, much lighter in terms of the weight in comparison with the Yoga Tablet 10, but it will give you a lesser display size. But again, if you want a portable tablet from Lenovo, you can always go for this, the Lenovo Yoga Tablet 8 in case you want a bigger tablet which will provide you a better entertainment experience. Then you can always go for this one. So both of these tablets are good enough in terms of the overall size, in terms of the kind of needs they actually cater to. Both of them are designed for two different users. One for the user for which entertainment is much more important, one for the user for which the portability is much more important. The battery rating is different. You have a much bigger battery on this device because this is bigger tablet. So you have around 9000 mAh battery, which is much bigger than this one. But again, when it comes to the camera performance is almost the same on both of them. So don't expect a great difference. And in terms of the design, both of them have the same design, and the build quality is again exactly the same, and pretty good build quality from Lenovo on both of these tablets. So that's all from us as far as the quick hands-on comparison between the Lenovo Yoga Tablet 10 HD Plus and the Lenovo Yoga Tablet 8. We would love to help you. If you have any specific question for any of these two devices, we would love to help you. You can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.